Hey everybody, this is a new knife review. This is the ANV Acta Non Verba knives. It is the Z100. Okay, let's take a look at it. So it was assembled by this guy and inspected by this guy. You got a nice sticker. And this is the knife itself. So a little bit about this knife. As I said, it's called the Z100. It's got a G10 handle and, as you saw, a flipper blade. It's got T6 aluminum hardware and a liner lock, a deep carry pocket clip that is reversible. Got a nice tension to it. The liner lock engagement is pretty soon there, which is good. There is some loom insert there, so if you hold it to a light, you should see, after it's charged, you should see it in the dark for a while. It's made in the Czech Republic. It's got Sleipner steel, aluminum hardware, very minimal design. It's got basically two pins, the pivot and the pin in the back, which also holds the pocket clip, the wire pocket clip. Very deep carry. Feels okay in the hand. It's not made for a lot of work. It would become uncomfortable, but just for quick cuts and for an EDC knife, it's perfect. It's got good retention, both vertical and lateral. It has a high saber grind with a small flat surface. It says it's got a 4mm thickness. There's a lanyard hole. We're gonna see how it cuts now. See, it catches here on the ball bearing when you want to close it, so you have to really push it all the way so you can easily close it. Let's see how sharp it comes. It's not the cleanest cut. It would need a little bit of a stropping, but it does come sharp. Yeah, it needs a little bit of sharpening. Okay, so the overall length is about 8 inches. The blade length is 3.5 inches. The blade thickness is about 4mm. The blade width is about 1 inch. It has a Sleipner steel, as I said. It's a Swedish steel. The blade is stone washed and it's a drop point with a flat area, as I said. The hardness is 50 HRC, which is okay. I can't feel any hard spots, which is nice. Okay, well, I like it. It's pretty light. The liner inserts aren't skeletonized, but you only have a liner insert on the lock side. There is no liner insert on this side, so it is pretty light. And I like the loom feature here. It's a nice blue loom. Okay, bye guys.